Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. Many fragrances from plants or flowers have been shown to alter mood and can promote increased alertness and positivity or create feelings of calm and tranquility. In this video, let's look at some popular benefits of peppermint, eucalyptus, rose, and lavender oils. Peppermint is a hybrid plant with a high menthol content, and peppermint oil is a common remedy for nausea and digestive issues. Fresh or dried leaves are often used alone or with other herbs in herbal teas. Similar to peppermint is eucalyptus, for it has cooling and cleansing properties. Its cooling sensation makes it easier to breathe and is popularly used in a vaporizer. Another popular fragrance is from the rose petals, and there are over 300 species and over tens of thousands of cultivants. Many use rose oil or rose water for their skin and is used in cosmetic preparations. And many prefer its feminine smell to heavy perfumes. And they say it takes about 30 rose blossoms to make a drop of essence. So before you use an essential oil, think gratitude. This will influence the effect of the aroma on you. Another well-liked aroma or smell is the lavender. Lavender is one of the most popular scents for falling asleep and relaxing. Make your own scented pouch with a mixture of rice, flower buds, and essential oil. Refresh your scented pouch every few weeks by opening it up and adding more drops of essential oil as needed. For a video on lemon, orange, and other scents, please view my previous videos, and I'll provide a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.